As a psychologist, I often try and bring metaphors into OCD therapy as much as I can, both with adults and with children. It can often help to give new perspective to a situation and a new way of looking at things. I use quite a lot, but one of my favourites is a metaphor about elephants and paper. So I want you to imagine that you're on a train and you come across a man who is ripping up hundreds of bits of paper and he's throwing them out of the window every couple of seconds. You go over to him and you say, "Can I ask you what you're doing?" And he says, "I'm glad you asked. I'm keeping the elephants away from the tracks." You look a bit confused and you say, "What do you mean elephants away from the tracks? We're in London." And he says, "Oh, see, I told you it was working." Most people can see fairly quickly what needs to happen next. The man needs to experiment with not throwing the paper, giving him the chance to learn that there isn't then a stampede of elephants. But it's really scary. He's convinced that it's real, and he's convinced it's not worth the risk. He's never tried it before. This then allows us to think, what is the equivalent for this person's OCD? What does throwing paper out of the window look like for them? And what do they need to start doing differently?